Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Zcash. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price end of Zcash broke out a very big and huge falling wedge pattern, and after that, it found another down trend line resistance as well. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that this was the down trend line resistance that I was showing you, and you can see that for the past several weeks since after 26th of December 2024 up till now. It is getting rejected by this resistance, and now we are again retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we are moving at this support that was previously breaking at a resistance of this big and huge falling wedge pattern. We had a long spike here on the 7 days time frame chart, but the price then could not break it down, recovered back, and now we are again moved down but still moving above this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members, and that was a bullish Gartley pattern that Zcash formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash, and this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this resistance since after 25th of December 2024. We got rejections here, and now a few more rejections here. Now we are again testing this downtrend line support. On the daily time frame chart, by the way, we broke down this support here a few days ago, but recovered back. But if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that the price end did not break it down. We just had a spike beyond this support and still it is moving at this support. That was, by the way, previously working as a resistance of this huge falling wedge pattern, this downtrend line support. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on this downtrend line support. For example, if the cash breaks it down, then we can test the previous resistance of the channel that was working out before the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. You can see that the price and also formed this down channel as well. The same support of this bigger falling wedge pattern was also working as support for this channel. And that has been, by the way, after the breakout, working as a support. And again, it can work as a nice support for the price end of Zcash. Along with that, it can also test this long-term support of $22 as well. That has been previously working as support here, and support here as well. And again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Z. Now, in order to start a massive reversal from here, first we will need to break out this down trend line resistance, this one. And after that, we will also need to break out this long-term resistance of $36.50 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that this $36.50 has been working as a very, very strong resistance for several weeks or months. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. By the way, here it was also working as support, this $36.50. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, by the way, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel that I've been telling you in my previous videos as well, was here at the top of the channel at $80. And the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.